Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use KFC coupon code. First, you have to download KFC application from your Apple Store or your Play Store. After that, you must need to log in or sign up for a new account in KFC. Then you have to select the meal that you want to order. You just need to add that meal or the food to your cart to complete the order. Then from your cart section, you will find an option to apply coupon. Simply click on it and you will find a blank where you can enter your coupon code and you can apply your coupon code for that meal that you are ordering from KFC. You can also get some exciting deals and discounts in KFC according to occasions or in various days. That's how you can apply or use KFC coupon codes easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.